Hiya, welcome to Keep Us Creative Flow. Just wanted to share with you this beautiful iris folded card. So my brother's just moved into a new home and I thought I could give this to him. So I'm going to personalise it with the number here, and this is the inside with this beautiful handmade and stitched patterned paper. So yeah, off we go. So I've chosen these numbers because the black will really stand out. Actually, shall we do it so that I might have to cut this down? Actually, overlap this here. Or if I can tuck it in, that'll be even better. Oh, I'm just grabbing a pokey tool, just so it can go under this fold. Oh. And there we have it. Just a quick, easy project today. Take care. Bye for now.